Dry, so I'm not tracking anything on the radar. Storm threat, not a threat today. 73 at Central Park, 75 in Newark. We're in near 70 in Merrick and White Plains. But yes, air quality is down right now from the city and through northern New Jersey and parts of the Hudson Valley. So some of that poor air quality kind of settling in the nooks and crannies. And then we've got some fog, less than a quarter-mile visibility in parts of northwestern New Jersey, but also in eastern Long Island, Suffolk County, with that dense fog advisory through later on this morning, where yes, visibility is down to less than a quarter mile. So that'll be enough to slow you down this morning. And then we get to the afternoon, and it's the heat that'll just weigh us down. By 4 p.m., near 90 degrees, but it'll feel more like the mid-90s. Take it easy. That sun will be beating down. It should be a quiet evening, though. By 10 o'clock, still near 80 degrees and still very muggy. All right, let's see what's slowing us down, if anything, out there. Emily, what's going on?
You know, good news is that Bergen accident, that one you drove by this morning, 17, that did wrap up.
So talk air quality because it is down across the area, and there are a lot of factors going into that, but just the air is not moving, so we're not seeing that kind of dissipate and kind of work its way out. We also have some reduced visibility, less than a quarter mile still in parts of northern New Jersey, less than a quarter mile in Eastport, where you have that dense fog advisory posted through this morning. And of course, it is warm. Linden at 73 degrees, Teterboro reporting 71, Belrose at 70 degrees, and Ozone Park at 72. So it definitely looks the part of that haze and that thick humidity out there. We are looking at dry skies, though. By 1 o'clock, 87 degrees at this point, starting to push that heat index into the low 90s. We'll be there and then some by 4 p.m. and through 10 o'clock, staying warm and muggy. So take it easy today. All right, saw that nice shot of the Staten Island Expressway, Emily.
Yeah, looking good.
Yeah.
Really, that's what we're seeing through.
Looking into Nassau County, you get a sense there's a lot of haze. Not great air quality either right now in areas including in and around the city, so just be aware of that. There's that combination of some of that haze and fog. Visibility now less than 1/8 of a mile in Sussex County, and northern New Jersey seeing some fog, but also with that dense fog advisory in Suffolk County. Eastport also reporting less than 1/8 of a mile visibility. Near 70 in Merrick and Islip. New York City at Central Park is at 72, and all of that. Whoa. I got all excited. I almost lost my clicker. All of that humidity everywhere is sticking around. 84 degrees by noontime. With temperatures near 90 degrees later this afternoon, the heat index will be close to 95. So keep calm and keep hydrated. And speaking of calm, we've got a good evening ahead. Just very summery and very muggy. All right, let's send it over to Emily. I would, go for the long pass, but I'm going to hold on to this.
I'm impressed with your reflexes, though. You're very quick.
Close.
Very cat-like.
Degrees cooler than inland. But let's start with right now and get you out the door, because we do have some pretty dense fog down to less than 1/8 of a mile in northwestern New Jersey. Northern New Jersey seeing some reduced visibility, but also most of Suffolk County right now. Eastport less than a quarter mile visibility also into Connecticut. And there's your poor air quality right now. We have temperatures into the 70s, so that mugginess is definitely making that air feel heavy. 75 in Newark, 70 in Merrick, 66 right now in Poughkeepsie. So count on a lot of sunshine, and that heat really getting turned on here. By noontime, 87 degrees, feels like 90 plus, and we get to 90 on the thermometer. The heat index value will be 95 plus. So take it easy, stay hydrated, watch yourself, watch the kids, watch the pets, and then should be pretty quiet overnight with temperatures dropping into the mid 70s. All right, let's check in with Emily, because we checked in with Staten Island Expressway earlier. It was nice and quiet, starting to see some activity.
Yeah, I got a change for you there.